Yo, yo, yo! Pancake day. Whoa. That means I've got to make pancakes. And this year, I'm going to make rainbow pancakes. Oof, it is raining. Soaked. So I'm going to need 200 grams self-raising flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of golden caster sugar, 3 large eggs, 25 grams of melted butter, 200 millilitres of milk, and some vegetable oil. Okay, so first, mix 200 grams of self-raising flour, the baking powder, and the golden caster, and a pinch of salt together in a large bowl. Okay, next up it tells you to make a well in the middle there, kind of like that, little hole. Then add the eggs, the milk, and the melted butter. Then give it a whisk until smooth, and then pour it into a jug. Nice and smooth there. Pour into a jug. Boom shaka. Okay, so the next step for your rainbow pancakes is to put some food colouring and pens, colour pens, inside there. So when you put the batter in and swirl it around, it should come out like a rainbow. I haven't got a green pen, so I'm just going to use food colouring for this one. Orange and red, blood, and blue. So now I'll get the pancake mix that I made earlier, and I'll pour it all in here. This is it. God, look at that. Is that first pancake is going to be... That's what it looks like. It might not be a nice rainbow. Right, we're going to go for it. Ah! That should be it. Look at that. Look at the colour. 1 to 2 minutes on each side.
Probably tastes disgusting.
Go for the flip. That's quite cool actually. I think it's pretty cool. It does look like a rainbow, doesn't it?
I think it's alright.
Gonna have bananas and Nutella on. So we're all going for the second one now. That one looks awesome. It looks like a one of them lollipop things.
On the seaside?
Yeah. I'm excited about these.
I think they're going to get better as the more that we do.
We will, yeah. Whoa! I'm going to have some banana on mine.
How much?
Is that too much?
I got like 4 bits and you've got the rest of the banana.
Oh, well. And I'm going to have syrup on mine.
Really slowly.
Canadian. That's pretty cool. Served. Okay, now so that's the taste test. Let's see what it tastes like. Like that. That's quite nice. Don't know what I'd give it out of 10. A 7. Number 3. Look at that! Pancakes and
I think they're nice.
you ever had rainbow pancakes before?
I haven't, no.
Me neither.
First time for everything?
I made them up.
Did you make them up?
No.
No.
Oh, look at the bubbles. He said something about bubbles.
Did it?
Yeah, on the recipe. Gosh. Here's the rest of it.
That looks disgusting. It's quite cool actually.
It does.
Are you going to flip it?
Yeah, I'm going to flip this one.
The biggest one as well.
Yep.
Do you think that was a bad idea?
It's mine as well, so I can drop it on the floor.
What?
Back to it.
I want the big one.
What, do you want me to risk yours?
Well, no, that's true. If it lands, it's mine.
Okay. Ready for the flip now?
Don't die, Pancake.
Please don't die. Our previous year's flips, they gone well.
Fucking hell.
Shit. Okay, that one went wrong. That one did.
Go on, and another. Woo! Go on, you're on a roll.
Hey! Great.
That's quite big. Impressive.